The importance of the oceans. They provide us with more than half the oxygen we need. Every second breath you take comes from the oceans. They absorb much of the carbon dioxide we produce. They are an important source of protein for billions of people on the planet. Every drop of water, indeed everything we drink, has come from the oceans. The ocean is our life support system. If that system becomes dysfunctional, then all living things on this planet will suffer.
When you see Earth from space, you can see why it's called the blue planet. 71% of its surface is covered by the ocean, and the ocean is vital for all living things. Take 2 deep breaths. The oxygen that you took in one of those breaths came from the ocean, because more than half of Earth's oxygen is produced in the ocean, mainly thanks to microscopic organisms called phytoplankton. Every day, billions of these tiny plants, algae and bacteria produce oxygen through photosynthesis and then release it into the atmosphere. Phytoplankton also absorb carbon dioxide, which helps to regulate our climate. And they are the foundation of the ocean's food web, feeding everything from tiny zooplankton to giant whales. They may be among the smallest organisms in the ocean, but phytoplankton perform one of the biggest jobs on the planet. Life began in the ocean more than 3 billion years ago. Today, millions of species live there, an incredible biodiversity connected by a dazzling array of predatory food chains and interrelated relationships. The ocean food web isn't just restricted to the marine environment. Coastal wildlife and billions of people around the planet also rely on it as an important food supply. For some of the world's developing nations, the ocean provides a critical source of protein. For many people, the ocean is a special place. We seek it out for our hobbies and holidays. We relax by it, play in it, explore it. We are drawn to its beauty and power. Many people find that simply sitting and watching the ocean makes them feel better. It calms us and replenishes our spirit. It reminds us that we live in a beautiful world. Did you know that there is no new water made on Earth? The same amount cycles around constantly, evaporating from the ocean to form clouds. Rain falls from these clouds as fresh water, which eventually returns to the ocean once more. This water cycle is a closed loop that has existed for billions of years. Most animals and plants need water to survive. Without the fresh water the ocean provides, life on land would not be able to exist. That includes humans. Our bodies are 60% water, water that came from the ocean. Water is life. The well-being of the ocean is vital for life on Earth. Without a healthy marine environment, we won't have a healthy planet, and that will affect us all. Keeping our ocean healthy is an important challenge for our generation. We all need to get involved, for ourselves, our friends, and family and every living thing that we share our planet with.